Hey, hey, beautiful Geminis, welcome back. If you're new, I welcome you. I'm just finishing up my coffee. I had a beautiful day yesterday, Gemini. It was my granddaughter's second birthday. It was my youngest son's birthday. We had a big celebration, and I'm telling you, what a hoot that little kid is. She's into everything, so if my camera alignment is off today, just go with it. She's totally into everything. I bought her a mermaid dress, and oh my god, guys, I gotta tell you, this kid is something else. Well, it was a little long in the skirt, so I tucked the back end into her diaper. Well, wouldn't you know it, she decides to have a massive explosion, if you know what I mean. So this mermaid dress got covered. I'm telling you, it took 3 adults to clean that kid. And I love this little girl with my whole heart. And I'm feeling really excited. And I think I'm going to do Ask Spirit today for future predictions for Gemini. What predictions are coming up for Gemini? What can Gemini see in their near future, Spirit? What is it that Gemini might be seeing or experiencing in the near future? Know that reads are timeless. Whenever you see them, it is meant to be seen. Completeness, shutting the door on something, you know? What's in the near future? What can you predict, Spirit, for Gemini's future? What can Gemini expect to see in the near future? Oh, a tidy house, getting organized for something. It's like receiving clarity and organization here, getting organized for something. This is a new beginning with the one. Being in your true authentic selves. Heart and home and compassion and teachability here. It's like needing to be flexible about something. Standing in your true nature. Heart, home, compassion. With the teachability card, see, Spirit is asking Gemini at this time to get prepared somehow for this new beginning. It could actually be that some of you are receiving a new home, or because the home card is here twice. Someone is either seeing you as home, someone either wants to return home, or you're moving to a new home. But this is you being compassionate. This is you getting organized for something. It's like preparing for something. Let's see. What's this all about? Just being your true authentic selves. And it's like, can't teach an old dog new tricks. This hollow bone here is like, if you bend a hollow bone, it will break, because there's nothing, no substance in the inside. That was the past. This is your future. They may have been wearing a false mask, but this is Gemini standing in their true authentic natures and planning and getting organized for something. And there's 2 home cards here. They're all new beginnings, guys. What can you predict for Gemini in the near future, Spirit? What's coming in for Gemini? Well, there is a joyful muse here, being inspired again. Playing music, it's like a musician. You could have a lot of talents here. Taking back your power, putting your crown back on. to its rightful owner where it belonged, Gemini. This is you standing in your power, rejoicing again, celebrating. This is having joy coming in. Limitless possibilities. As many as stars are in the sky by you taking your power back. Crown games. Somebody was messing with your power. You're taking your power back. You're rejoicing something. Many of you could be purchasing new homes. Just saying. Or you could be moving. And whatever this move is, makes you really happy. And many of you are discovering your talents. That is limitless possibilities, overflowing in plenty. So many of you are getting new love, or just this abundance. It's like a feeling of abundance. It's overflowing and plenty. Many of you are getting new love, interest coming in. Someone that does not abuse the power. Do you know what I mean? Others of you are not entertaining new love. This is abundance. Just by being your true authentic selves. But there's a reason to rejoice. This is discovering your talents. And it's something you love. It's very abundant. It's like discovering your life purpose. Limitless possibilities. See? I knew it was going to happen. Preparing for fruition. It's like you're rushing around getting ready for something. It's because it's coming. It's limitless possibilities. It's overflowing of abundance. And if you're interested in new love, it's here. But this is also career. It's like preparations are coming into fruition. Predictions for the near future for Gemini. So for many of you it's love, others of you it's discovering your talents, others of you it's a home. Yeah. This person you were dealing with was a dream thief. They tried to steal your dreams, but they can't. It's fated. Just here. That was a dream thief. You can't teach an old dog new tricks, Spirit saying. You can't teach somebody something they don't want to learn. So this is you in your future. You're discovering your talents. You are receiving abundance. You're receiving new love. It's like limitless possibilities by you taking your crown back, Gemini. Being your true authentic self. What's coming in the near future? Predictions for Gemini. What can Gemini expect to see in the near future, Spirit? And know that they're timeless. So, yeah. By closing the door on this chapter, this is what you're going to bear. These are the fruits you're going to bear from this situation. It's abundance. It is new loves. It is discovering your talents, taking your power back, standing in your truthful selves, authentic, being authentic. Limitless possibilities. Gemini near future. Predictions for Gemini, Spirit. Going with the flow. Inner peace. Truth. Standing in your true, authentic selves. Going on a voyage for many of you. Could be travel. Could be a new home. Like I said, I'm picking that energy up. Whatever this is, it's wonders. It is discovering the gateway to abundance. I can't make it up. It's like the gateway is being opened by closing this door. The gateway just opened up to a new life. and it's abundant. It's overflowing with abundance, love, joy, abundance. That flexibility is here. Spirit is saying this person, you have to close, you can't teach this person anything. They're not flexible. But Geminis are. And by you being flexible, you just opened the gateway to abundance. Yes, you did. And there it is, the gateway of pleasure, joy, abundance, overflowing, thriving, taking your power back, getting your courage, healing from chaos. Hello, Gemini. You deserve this. Gemini, please, what's upcoming predictions in the near future for Gemini? It was good you closed that door. That door was a blessing in disguise. That is divine protection. That is how spirit works. You close one door, it opened the opportunity for this beautiful future, and that's what I said. Near predictions for the near future, Spirit. What's going on for Geminis? Yeah, this can't teach this person anything. That's what Spirit's saying. You cannot teach this person a damn thing. Huh. Well, that's funny. Ace of Wands follows it for your passionate new beginning. Just saying, Gemini. At least they weren't willing to learn. Yeah. So you're getting a passionate new beginning. This is a creative ideas. This is being inspired again. This is I'm hearing abundance over and over again. Yep, that wanted to appear. You're on a passionate new beginning. Oh my God, 2 aces right off the hop. Ace of Wands, Ace of Swords, receiving downloads, messages from Spirit for this new beginning. It's like, yeah, by shutting the door on people who were deceptive. Bye-bye. You're moving on. You're coming out of the storm. There is the healing, the chaos, the tornado hit, the rough seas. You're moving into calmer waters. Now this is like childhood memories. This is the past, leaving the past in the past. This is wish fulfillment by closing that door and going the opposite direction. You discover yourself, your power, your love, your abundance. This is like wish fulfillment, giving birth to creative new ideas, giving birth, coming into fruition. You're about to receive your fruits of your labor. Many of you are receiving new love. That is wish fulfillment. What's coming in the near future for the beautiful Geminis? Well, yeah, by closing this door, you're on a new cycle. It was like a blessing in disguise. You get fast forward movement. You're leaving this toxic energy behind. Bye. You're blocked off, closed off to the devil. You receive good news. It's like you lightened your load. You left heavy energy behind. It's like you're free as a bird, excited again. That's the near future predictions. Good news. Oh, yeah, you're getting out of that Ten of Swords energy. That person you can't teach nothing to. Lay down the burdens. Don't invest, Spirit is saying. Do not invest in this person. Came in reverse. Yeah, you've made the decision to not be this person's option, and you're focusing in on your Ten of Cups. You're getting new love. It's a soulmate. Someone who's already done the soul searching, done the work, received. It's someone spiritual. You'll be going out, celebrating, rejoicing, having fun. By the looks of it, you're going out with your friends. This is where you meet this person. It's like a coming together. And I can tell you it is a soulmate who is fair, balanced, and it is divine time. This is like if you were going through, yeah, okay, you've been through the chaos. There is stuck energy. Rejection in this case was Spirit's protection. It's all over this. You're going to be financially grounded, stable. You're resilient. You will bounce back. You will ascend. You have ascended. You've gone through an ascension. And you have learned, and now watch Spirit work. You will take your crown back, be in control, and move forward. Strong. Taking time to reflect. You know, this is meeting new love, guys. That's Gemini thinking about love. Justice is here. Fairness. Someone who's honest. Someone who's truthful. Someone who's fair. Who is going to give you the respect by you just being your authentic self. You're going to have success. Victory. You might be receiving a lot of attention. You have choices of several people to choose from. But amongst those, there is a soulmate. And you're going to be in the spotlight. Success, abundance. You're coming out of this Nine of Swords energy. It's in reverse. You will leave this behind. I can tell you right now, you're stepping into success and abundance. Yeah. Someone who has been enlightened. This is a spiritual person. This is someone who's already done the work. Is going to offer you, this is you yourself as well. You've ascended. You're going to receive some blessing. You're going to receive a commitment. You're going to receive a large payout or some type of financial reward. After this heartbreak, I'm just saying, oh, you'll be going out. You're inspired. This person is honest. This person, now this could be you becoming your own boss as well. Co-creating with the universe gives you this joy and happiness. And you're leaving this mental conflict behind. It's fated. You're being guided. It's destiny. You're being guided to your happiness and your destiny. I'm leaving it there. That's a beautiful read for you, Gemini. It's new love. It's soulmate connections. It's business opportunities. It's overflowing with abundance and love for your future. Take care, Geminis.